came out here to make some wild tea and my breakfast, which is oatmeal. So I wanted to use the Sterno stove with wood. Many people have told me that it works well with wood, so it's a very versatile stove. This material is very damp. We've had rain here for basically a week now, and it's hard to find good firewood unless I cut down a tree. So these types of stoves, when you have limited wood, come in very handy. The wild teas that I'm making today is Labrador tea and wintergreen. That's what I'm mixing together, and I put it in my cup here. And what I'll do is when the water is ready, I'll take it, pour it in there, let it steep while I eat my oatmeal. Nice little fire in there right now. This here is totally soaked on the outside, but the inside is dry. Just has to have enough heat to dry the outside. Hence all the smoke. Woo! So now all I have to do is just keep feeding this, make sure it doesn't go out, and keeps at a pretty good heat to boil my water. But it also has a contained fire, which is very nice in many areas. I've got this sitting right on a rock as well, and then I'll have to douse this all with water when I'm finished. There's a rolling boil. Good to go. Just a handful of twigs. Take that off of here, let that burn out, and get my tea started. And I can use the rest for my oatmeal. This here is a high protein oatmeal, and very handy to take out in the bush. Just gonna let that set for a couple minutes, cool down, then I'm ready to eat. This here also has raisins in it. Very tasty oatmeal out here, I find, and at home. Using my hand like that, I know if there's any hot spots. And I put a ring around it first, so when I poured it on, no ashes are gonna run off or fall off into some of this moss here and then catch later. This way here, it's out, and we're all good. So what I ended up doing is taking the door and using that as a base plate. It worked well. So let's see how bad. Well, warping don't look bad at all, really. So all I have to do, fold it back up like this, Fold these in. Good to go. It's pretty wild, actually. Very nice. So I wanted to try that Sterno with wood. A fella told me that he uses his for wood a lot, and sometimes it'll warp a little bit. He just bends it back in place. It's good to go. So very nice to know. I've been out here hiking for a while and just wanted to make myself up a meal and go on a hike again. So I want to thank you for watching. Take care. All the best. Tastes more wintergreen than I do the Labrador tea. And looking forward to my oatmeal. Take care.